Water is an essential requirement for growth and development. However, the situation where women and children have to spend hours every day collecting and gathering water directly from streams in competition with animals is a worrying development challenge. Forbie community for several years have struggled to get access to potable drinking water.
So kaya niya ta sama na wason te pona pella. Timma dire wahala lain ka jiwa yi karaga ulotio. Pumping point si door ka pumping was a pero karamin yo katene wa yo te sikara ga ba kan na beche aga anhu so kaya ne na sonte ana samampa ani makwanyula anya bineni chaka atena ya wala tena nyula
ti hanala kwa yala tor akwa yala man ven la katinyu akwa ti po man biere la ka bibir gere banjira ma kor chaka bibir biere akwa anima nyebin a duoduoro in chakar nyuro wala karayete wata akwa katinda nyakwa te pona pelle yagale ka woni sentiment gazi tor kan atin ataw agate atuo anila awachir de yen ani kono so ani kono mala sima mine ka amota manga ngedeger
achara ko yele yo ngala azinte no yiti san comparison la tele ka san mon ne ko de kar moy fo so mo yele ye tuote atenga po men ye tor ka po manga na ko so to ko tegat na ma on yula anena atuna ga tenga po te bata kwezi so ja tele ka sin kan pie che manga tenga po na ga do nga ko so tunda nya som na sumala bi ko ka se won yi de yen
According to the World Health Organization, safe and readily available water is important for public health, whether it is used for drinking, for domestic use, for food production, or for recreational purposes. Now, what happens when one consumes contaminated water or shares the same water source with animals? Dr. Charles Luanga Bayel has been speaking to Apple SPR TV.
So, drink from the same source with animals. That's what leads to what we term zoonotic diseases. That's diseases that can be spread from animals to human beings or human beings to animals. This has been actually a major cause of a number of illnesses we have. The commonest being we have the salmonella, we have E. coli. These are organisms that cause disease. So when we get cases of diarrhea, vomiting, sometimes abdominal pain, most of them are as a result of this. It's sad that in this particular state in time, we still have to share water with animals. Looking at One Health and looking at the conditions that have actually been caused by sharing these water bodies, actually it's been very detrimental to the health of humans. So I want to call on the relevant agencies to look at how best to get clean and portable water for these communities. Try as much as possible to either barricade these water bodies so that if you are using them for humans alone, they should also be for only humans, and there should be water bodies that will be designated for animal use alone. If the relevant agencies can probably look at how best to get decent portable drinking water for these communities, it would help them a lot.
With reference to the Sustainable Development Goal 6, which aims at providing safe and affordable water for all by the year 2030. It requires that we invest in adequate infrastructure, provide sanitation facilities, and encourage hygiene. This is the only traditional water source available to the people of Forbie community. My name is Hati Umwade, reporting for Apple SPR TV. Drapa.
But we know we will get there.